Hi, I am Dr. Manisha Kasat. I have done fellowship in ART in IIRFT Institute under Dr. Rita Bakshi. Ma'am is very kind and very helpful. You get very good hands-on in sonography as well as ovum pickups. From the day when you go in the OT, initially you will observe, then gradually you will get ovum pickups also. Scans, definitely it's very good hands-on. You will do almost every scan, or at least see the scans. You can see all types of patient. Ma'am has huge number of patients here, so you get to see very different kind of histories, very different patients, and you can discuss any kind of doubt with ma'am. She will cover all the topics related to ART. If anybody is looking for fellowship in ART, so I highly recommend IIRFT under Dr. Rita Bakshi. Thank you.